In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Oppenheimer filter in CapCut. To begin, open CapCut's video editor and get your project ready. If you haven't already, create a new project, import the clips you want to style, and place them on the timeline. Make sure you can play the footage in the preview, because seeing the before and after in real time makes dialing in the look much easier. Now, look for the Filters control. On desktop, you'll find Filters in the left-hand panel. On mobile, it appears along the bottom of the screen. Click Filters to open the library. This is CapCut's collection of ready-made color and mood presets, and it's the quickest way to give your video a unified cinematic vibe without diving deep into manual color grading. Inside the Filters library, switch to the Movies category. This tab groups the film-inspired presets, and it's where you'll find the Oppenheimer style option. Browse through the thumbnails and select the one labeled for that look. Hovering or tapping on a filter lets you preview it on the selected clip, so use the preview to judge how it interacts with skin tones, highlights, and shadows in your footage. Once selected, adjust the intensity to taste. If the effect feels too strong, pull the slider back for a more natural result. If your source footage is flat, push it slightly higher to bring out contrast. Pay attention to exposure. This look favors deep blacks and restrained highlights. So, if faces are getting lost, gently raise the brightness in your basic adjustments until detail returns. You can apply the filter to a single clip for selective emphasis, or apply it across the timeline for a consistent mood. If your project includes mixed lighting or different cameras, consider fine-tuning intensity per clip to keep the grade balanced. Before you wrap, scrub through the entire sequence and check for flicker or color jumps between cuts. Minor tweaks to intensity can smooth those transitions. Also, keep an eye on saturation. The Oppenheimer aesthetic leans desaturated, so reducing saturation slightly can help if your footage started very colorful. When the overall tone feels cohesive and cinematic, you're set. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, click Filters, go to Movies, choose the Oppenheimer look, preview, and fine-tune. With a few thoughtful adjustments, you'll give your video that dramatic, filmic character in minutes. Remember to play back on a larger screen to confirm the contrast and detail look right before you share.